2, 1. There we go.
Thanks to Revel, thanks to PG&E. It's a beautiful site. Come down, check it out. Hope everybody's having a great Monday.
Mr. Mayor, like, what is the city doing to try to get more locations like this? Are there regulations and things?
Revel just said they just got the job done, and they said they want to 10x this, and we're going to work closely with them and other companies that want to help us electrify San Francisco.
That's awesome to hear. What's it mean to have this first big charging station here?
Huge. This is great for San Francisco and great for San Franciscans. So more to come.
Thanks for taking the time, Mr. Mayor.
Drivers looking to charge while doing business.
At Kempower, we're proud to be the technology behind the scenes. The 12 fast chargers at this station are designed to build.
We want everyone here to know that Revel is more than committed to continuing to invest in San Francisco to build more charging infrastructure.
Guys, you join me here in San Francisco at the grand opening of Kempower's first West Coast location. They are partnering with a company called Revel, and Revel is doing their grand opening. We've got the mayor of San Francisco here, lots of local media. I've brought the Cybertruck to try to charge up later today, so that's going to be fun. We've got a Rivian over here. We've got a Tesla, NACS, and CCS cables over here at the chargers. We're gonna walk through together and show you some of what that looks like. So let's take a look at all the back end stuff that makes this magic possible. Here you can see the transformer, big 8,000-pound transformer here. Then you got the switch gear, and from the switch gear you're gonna see the actual cabinets themselves that power all of these satellites. And the great thing with Kempower is they are expandable and they are flexible, so they can take the location as it expands in the future, and as they had greater needs, they can expand these cabinets and put in more of the modules in the back of these cabinets to provide more power, including megawatt charging. You can see that we have some NACS connectors and we have CCS, so no matter what EV you're using, they're going to be able to support your charging needs. And that's big for the city of San Francisco. There is not enough charging here in the city. Things they did at this location is they have these set up where you could do pull-through charging if you need to. So you got a NACS adapter there, and then you got a CCS adapter down there, and there's plenty of space if you needed to kind of pull through there and charge up with a little small trailer or something behind you. So I love seeing the kind of creativity of the layout here. All right, so it's been an exciting day, and all the VIPs and the mayor and all the Kempower folks have all left. And so now it's time to actually plug in the Cybertruck and give Revel their first test and see how it does. We will be the first ones plugging in here and charging on this network. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what the Cybertruck can take as far as juice. And I'm also curious to see the charge curve. I know that with these Kempower satellites, you can see the charge curve. So I'm curious to check that out and see what it does. All right, let's learn this together, guys. We're going to head over to the satellite now. We are going to hit the button. We're going to tap the card down there. See if that will initiate the charger. It does say thank you. Now it says to connect the cable. So we're going to pull this out. We're going to head over here to the charge port door. This is definitely a bigger, heavy-duty cable than we're used to seeing on the superchargers. And you can see the length here is not a problem at all. That is absolutely fantastic. Let's see what we see on the charger. So here, you can see it's at 39%. Kilowatts are starting to ramp up. This is really cool. There's a barcode, a QR code that you can scan here, and this is going to give you charging data, and that's going to let you see the charge curve. So I'm really excited to see how that works. Let's come back and take a look at the charging here in just a second. All right, so it looks like we topped off at about 140 kilowatts. It's down now to 138 and just kind of holding steady there. I didn't precondition or any of that kind of stuff, and it was already at 40%. So maybe if I had some kind of preconditioning, or if it was down lower in the pack around 10, 15%, maybe we would have seen some higher numbers there. But I did want to plug it in, just be the first one to do it here at this awesome location in San Francisco. So we've accomplished that. We've got to see some of the data and some of the charge curve that these Kempower satellites can create, which I really love. Had a great time, got to meet the mayor, ask him a couple questions. I just think it was great to be able to take the Kempower team on a little full self-driving area of San Francisco. So be sure to check out that video. I'll have that posted as well on my channel. And that's it, Bo Family EV. But huge thanks to Kempower team and the team here at Revel for inviting the Turn Down for What podcast. We're gonna see if we can get some of these guys on the show at some point just to talk about what it's like to do business in San Francisco, to get the permits. I know Josh and Jesse will really appreciate as charge point operators what it takes to get one of these up and running, get the transformers in with PG&E, all kinds of great stuff to talk about. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified of different episodes. We do live shows on Thursdays. We do recorded episodes with Josh and Jesse. And then again, check out Bo Family EV on YouTube as well. There'll be a link for that in the description. I'll have different full self-driving videos, including the one with the Kempower team. So that wraps it up here from Revel. Thanks again for coming along, and we'll see you on the next one.
For those of you that don't know, my name is Paul Suey. I am a co-founder and chief operating officer of Revel. Thanks again for being here, and thanks especially to Mayor Lori for making an effort to support this ribbon cutting. Revel couldn't be more excited by everything your administration is working on, and we want everyone here to know that Revel is more than committed to continuing to invest in San Francisco to build more charging infrastructure. Because at Revel, our goal is to build urban fast charging that all EV drivers can rely on. And why is that important? Well, without widespread access to fast charging, EV adoption will stop. It'll slow. Rideshare electrification will stop. It'll slow. Without widespread, easy-to-use, convenient, reliable fast charging, dreams of EV adoption are just that. They're just dreams. So we're excited to partner with everyone here today. But the challenge is building fast charging is kind of hard. It's really hard. It doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen with one company or one player. It takes team. It takes collaboration. So we're excited to partner with San Francisco, with companies like Kempower, with utilities like PG&E, to continue to build more infrastructure, to electrify more cars, and to make San Francisco's air just a little bit cleaner. I do have one special thank you to give. I think a lot of us have someone that we work with in our personal life or in our jobs that just finds a way to get things done. They think creatively, they see barriers as opportunities, and for Revel and for this site, that person is Greg Evans. So for those of you that don't know, Greg was the lead project manager on this site, and I think I speak for the Revel team when I say, without his hard work and effort and diligence, we just would not be here today. So thanks, Greg. I'm also realistic. Revel is realistic. I know that 12 chargers, while exciting, and we should all celebrate this accomplishment today, it's not enough. It's not nearly enough. So this is just the first step. It's a first site. We plan to invest more and more into this city, to build fast charging, to electrify more cars. We plan to bring more than 10 times the number of chargers you see at this site today into construction over the next few months in 2025 alone. It's an exciting challenge, but the opportunity is here. We know that there's a lot more work to do, and we're not going to be able to do it alone. So again, thanks for everyone for being here today, for all the hard work and effort, and we're excited to continue to build. With that, I'd like to hand it over to Mayor Daniel Lurie to say a few words.
Thank you very much. I also want to thank Tyrone Jew, our environment director here at San Francisco. I appreciate you. This is an exciting day. And thank you, Greg, for making this happen. It's a great day for the mission. It's It's a great day for San Francisco, and we are here to welcome Revel as the latest business to invest in our city as they open their first West Coast charging project. And I'm really happy to hear that you're doubling down, and we're going to do more of these in the coming months. My message everywhere I go, and Revel gets it, is that San Francisco is open for business. And I'm excited to be here with Revel, a company that shares our vision to electrify transport and reduce emissions in our city. They are just one of the many businesses that have recently been investing in our city, joining Databricks, Strava, OpenAI, and others, who have all committed to San Francisco's future. While my administration is hard at work bringing business back to San Francisco, we need to continue making progress toward our net zero emissions goal by 2040. We've already reduced our emissions by 48% since 1990, but we, as we all know, have more work to do. Initiatives like this will help us get there. This new charging plaza will feature 12 publicly accessible high-speed chargers available 24/7, making EV charging more convenient, especially for residents without home charging options. Over the last 2 years, one third of all vehicle sales in San Francisco have been electric. And this project is directly contributing to our goal of electrifying 100% of all registered private vehicles by 2040. Public-private partnerships like this one between Revel and our city are essential if we want to meet our climate goals and continue the San Francisco comeback. My administration is committed to attracting companies that want to invest in our city and be part of our recovery. We know that in the past, it hasn't always been easy for new businesses to come to San Francisco, but we are putting in the work, like with our Permit SF initiative, to simplify the process and make it smoother for businesses to launch and to grow here in San Francisco. Fast, publicly accessible charging plazas are exactly what our residents who drive EVs need. Charging investments like this, led by companies like Revel, support our residents, drive our recovery, and build our future. Drivers looking to charge while doing business in the city can grab a cup of coffee, or shop at a small grocer around the corner, or get a bite at a restaurant down the street. This partnership with Revel is just the beginning. San Francisco should and will be a climate leader in climate tech. My administration will continue to partner with companies here in the city that are leading the way toward a green future and invite new businesses in this space to make San Francisco their home. I am fired up. I am thrilled to celebrate this occasion today and look forward to many opportunities like this in the future. Thank you very much.
You can tell from my accent I'm not a native, but welcome and greetings from Durham, North Carolina. Maybe we can do something about honorary citizenship or something later. So, what an exciting day for the future of electric transportation. And what an honor to stand here in the heart of San Francisco for the opening of Revel's very first West Coast charging station. At Kempower, we're proud to be the technology behind the scenes. The 12 ultra-fast chargers at this station are designed to deliver not just power, but reliability, scalability, and user-friendliness at every level. And in a city like San Francisco, where innovation meets sustainability, that kind of reliability truly matters. Revel's mission to bring accessible, high-performance charging infrastructure to dense urban environments aligns perfectly with our vision at Kempower, a world where EV charging is effortless, it's everywhere, and it's built to last. We don't just make chargers, we deliver uptime, performance, and peace of mind for EV drivers, and we're proud to bring that standard of excellence to this incredible site. It's no secret that sustainable transportation is no longer a novelty or a luxury. It's a necessity. And partnerships like the one between Revel and Kempower are critical to turning that vision to reality. Together, we're not just building stations, we're building confidence in the EV future, one charger, one neighborhood, one city at a time. To our partners at Revel, thank you for trusting us as you expand across the Bay Area and beyond. To the people of San Francisco, we're proud to help power your journey toward a cleaner, more connected city. Again, congratulations to everyone who made this possible, and here's to many more ribbon cuttings to come. Thank you.